Umuthi ari muthenya wa kana wa kigeranio gya TSC, Ministry ya Githomo ndumwe na kamiti ya kwandika arutani ya TSC ni ithire na mbere na mihango ya kunyabara kigeranio giki ituri-ini itiganite cia bururi. Minister wa Githomo Amina Mohamed urio muthi ukunyabaraga mihango ino kaunti-ini ya Kajiado ni arutire mukana kuri aruto akiuga aria mekunyitikana makiagarara mawatho na mitaratara ya igeranio ni megukanjira kigeranio kiao.
We've closed most of the loopholes that we had, and whenever we detect something we act very quickly so that it doesn't contaminate the rest of the process, but also because we do not want to interfere with the flow of the exam, right? So when we detect something we fix it, the exam continues, we don't lose even a minute.
Amina urio gucerete thukuru-ini itiganite cia muingi na cia andu kiumbe augite aruto othe aria mareka kigeranio giki gia KCSE ni makaheo meke meigananu hari guikia ihoya ria kuheo scholarship gutekumakania thukuru iria mundu arathomagira guku akiuga mutaratara ucio gutwarithio na mbere hatari na ungumanio ro wothe. Na kwa thukuru-ini ya imwana ya Jafine murugamiriri munene wa kamiti ya kwandika arutani Nancy Macharia augite arutani 40 nio mari hateka-ini ya kuruto register-ini ya kamiti iyo magikuruhanio na guteithiriria hari wuici wa igeranio akiuga watho nio mahete hinya wa gutigithia arutani kana maabitha tacio wira.
As TSC we have taken disciplinary action and replaced them. As center managers, because we can't have people then who are abetting irregularities stay on and supervise. Like we have said before, the fate of Kenyan children cannot be compromised by a few individuals.
Ihinda-ini o riu Macharia no aruteire thukuru cia andu kiumbe mukana kuona nyingi ciacio ciandikaga arutani matahitukitio ni TSC noguo aingi ao magakorwo matakinyaniire ikiro.
We have had incidences in private schools. We have also had to change the center managers and the supervisors just to ensure that we don't compromise this process.
Muthenya wa ira, Ministry ya Githomo ni irarugamirie wira murutani munene kuma thukuru-ini umwe wa mwena wa Naivasha thutha wake kuhuthira ngari yake gukua igeranio. Ndeto iria iramenyekire thutha wa murutani ucio gukinya igeranio thukuru no irakorwo iri nini. Ngiribotera Kameme TV mutambuko wa mohoro ni njitagwo Wangui wa Mwirore.